How to loop video in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your phone. Click on New Project. After that, simply select the video you want to loop. Select the video and press on Add at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on the video on the timeline. Scroll down onto the left of all options and click on Copy. After you've copied, simply select the second video and at the bottom in all the options, click on Reverse. Reverse the video. After the video is reversed, simply click on the first video and then copy it again. Make another copy of it. After that, simply drag it at the last. It should be the first original video, reversed video in the middle, and last copied video at the back. And your loop will be done. This is how to loop video in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.